In a country where doctors are considered next to the god, Vaidyo Narayana Hari, the very same doctors are now under immense threat.
Doctors practicing ultrasound and other imaging modalities are under high pressure from PCPNDT Act.
Innocent radiologists are continuously interfered by the appropriate authorities for minor clerical mistakes which are considered equivalent to sex determination.
The mission and the vision behind the PCPNDT Act is rightful and undebatable in the motive of saving the girl child.
In reality, the girl child is being saved only on paper rather than in real world.
PCPNDT Act emphasizes more on clerical work rather than focusing on the real motto of saving the girl child.
Just by filling few forms will not prevent the people from doing crime.
In this era of global warming, when the rest of the world is going paperless, we are mindlessly adding burden by filling up sheets of forms, and in some places duplicates and triplicates are being done.
Imagine, throughout country, how many ANCs can take place and paper wasted every day. With this act, unnecessarily, we are wasting our precious natural resources.
Ultrasonography is not a tool only to do ANC checkups. In fact, it has got much more wider applications in diagnostic and therapeutic fields of medicine, which are hampered by these reckless and stringent laws.
Register every pregnancy like how birth and death are registered. Every registered pregnancy should be monitored and end in delivery. If any is missing, then those parents should be booked and investigated. This will make parents and society responsible rather than standalone doctor. Act on the root cause, thus achieving the real motto of saving girl child behind the PCPNDT Act.
Ironically, the country with a population of 1.2 billion secured 2 medals courtesy to our female athletes in the recently concluded Rio Olympics. There are far more noteworthy contributions from females in different fields in our country. Hence, the mindset of the people needs to be changed so that they consider girl child as a boon rather than a burden. This can be achieved by providing proper education, creating awareness and opportunities, thus removing the social taboo against the female child. Let's save the girl child.
Let's revise PCPNDT Act.
Let's save the doctors.